Hi friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. I am excited that you're here with me today. This is kind of impromptu because I had a different plan in mind of how I was going to do all my organizing videos that I'm going to be sharing. But hubby is able to take care of some stuff for me today, so I'll seize the moment, right? So I'm just going to kind of show you around what the plan is, and then I'll show you the finished product. This is probably going to be a fairly short video. Hubs doesn't like being on video, so I'm not probably going to film him doing any of it, but that's what's happening. So here we go. Let me show you. So this big bulky thing that sits on top of this desk drives me crazy. When I sit in my chair and attempt to work at this area, my knees hit the thing. Why, Wendy, do you have to have this thing? Okay, because I have a spinal fusion, so I cannot sit for like hours and hours at a time. So I have to be able to sit and stand. So what we're going to do, this is a beautiful desk that I absolutely love, so I don't want to get rid of it. We have a desk over here that Miss Deborah uses. If you're new here, Miss Deborah is my helper that comes once a week, and she uses this desk. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the top from this, which I'll share with you how I ended up with that top. But we're going to take the top from this. We are going to make it the height over here right under the window so that it's raised up, and get rid of this big bulky thing so I can stand or sit without having something that lifts up and down. We're going to take this desk and we're going to move it there. And then if we're feeling really ambitious, there's shelving that's going to go here. And this unit here is going to get moved here. And this thing is going to go away. So that's the tentative plan for today. And in the last video you saw I moved this here. It's still not totally organized the way I'm going to have it. But I just got the majority of the stuff that I wanted there. Vacuum cleaner. So how did I get this top, in case anybody asks? When I purchased this unit to go in the middle of my craft room, the top of it came broken. This is actually a leaf that bends down. You close these legs in and this folds down. This piece was broken. So they had to ship me a brand new piece. Rather than throwing away this piece, we purposed it here for a separate desk. So that's how we ended up with that. These drawers underneath here, I'm not sure exactly how many of those I'll use or where. I think I'm going to use them under the desk he builds me. But that's the plan. So we're going to get busy cleaning this off. This has to get cleaned off. This has to get cleaned off. It's going to be a disaster in here for a while. So here we go. Okay, friends, this is what changed. So my original desk with that big old Vera desk thing on top of it is now over here. This will be Miss Deborah's desk. Still have to clean out all these drawers and go through them. That can wait. And this is what husband built me. So it's attached to the wall in the back and it has two legs in the front. And this is just going to be so much better. I have a place I can stand on my mat and it's already raised up so I don't have to deal with like the up and down thing. And this is just going to look so nice. And then this here is going to get shelving. But right now we're breaking for lunch. I have a YouTube live and this is the chaos that's living on this side of the room. So it's a work in progress. Sorry I didn't film any of this other stuff. I just really want to respect my husband's privacy. If he doesn't want to be on YouTube, I don't want him to have to be. So, yeah, he painted these legs for me so they would be white and the top would be dark. This is so nice underneath. I have room for another one of these if I want to put it under there. I haven't decided if I'm going to do that yet or not. We'll see if I need it. This whole journey is all about reduce, 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 reduce. So it's not about creating more space. It's about creating a cleaner space that feels less crowded. So that's the journey we're on. So I'll update you with the next update here in a little while. Okay, friends, it's a new day and Skeeter is exhausted. I don't know. So here's how things are looking. Everything's cleaned up pretty good. I've got stuff over here that needs to be shipped. This is how this kind of ended up looking. It's, you know, up for discussion. I don't know if we're going to keep everything exactly this way, but for now it's working great. These things just kind of stayed the same. And then over here, we completely redid this area. So got those shelves hung. Those are all shipping envelopes and supplies. Down here is still my team gifts. This is a really special piece of furniture to me. My grandfather made this, and so it will always forever live either in my home or my office. He made it with his own two hands, and he was very proud of it. So it's, I actually had always wanted it, and it was given to somebody else in my family, my mom actually, and left to her. And then when she moved into the apartment she's living in, she couldn't keep it anymore and asked me if I wanted it, and I was so excited to have it. So it wasn't a piece of furniture that I was ever supposed to have, but I guess God knew that it was something I really wanted, so I ended up with it. And then this desk will be Miss Deborah's work desk, and I used those other two IKEA Alex drawer units for my new cutting table. So that's perfect. And these goodies here on top of the desk are just stuff that I'm going to be either storing or getting rid of. Haven't decided yet, but just kind of setting it aside there. The rest of the office still has not been purged, but nothing's changing down here as far as like furniture. Everything here is staying the same. It works great. It's very functional. Nothing there will be changing, but I'll definitely be showing you when I go through all of these tubs down here and organizing, and we're going to be going through all of those drawers and organizing and purging. And then here is just product stuff, different things that I have that have something that's happening with them. These boxes are boxes that I'm selling on my retired store. These ones down here, these are stuffed full of product. There's probably $150 to $200 of product in there. You can buy one of these boxes for 50 bucks plus $10 shipping. These actually cost $15 to ship, but I'm going to give you $5 off the shipping. So for 60 bucks, you can buy one of these boxes. They'll be linked in the description below this video. All right, we're working our way through this craft room. Hope you tune in for the next video.